sometimes a mistake can be really sweet.
Hi, I'm Kyla, and this is my mini Aussie Picasso. Together, we venture in and around New York City in Natalie, our Mini Cooper. Hit the bell, like, and subscribe to join us on our mini adventures. This video was not planned, but the best things in life usually aren't. Our drone was grounded because I forgot to check for a software update before leaving home.
Where are we at?
The Village Blend, according to the sign I just looked at.
Oh, brilliant. Thanks, Village Blend.
We used their Wi-Fi to update our drone, and we had some yummy treats while we waited.
What are you drinking?
We got a working drone.
You're gonna drink off the ground but not from the bowl?
We got a working drone, so now we're gonna go get ourselves some potato. Right, buddy? Lester, come here. What's she saying?
Compass interference.
No.
After some recalibration, we got the drone moving.
We missed you dancing, but maybe next time. Picasso, the drone's gonna go.
And with that, we were up and away. We were able to get some awesome shots like this one, and who could forget the time Gianfranco ran into a tree? We decided to switch locations to try to capture a different type of topography at golden hour. But the drone decided it was out of battery. No matter what we did, we were not going to get back up in the air that day. Now we hope to have some cheese and riches. Right, buddy?
There she goes.
Stop.
Miss America.
You know, the last video, there are so many whispers that you put into the camera that I didn't hear in real time, and they made me feel real dumb in the editing process. If you're being smart and clever and crafty without me to the camera, stop telling secrets to them.
It's on my phone. If I have a wide set vagina and a heavy flow. Yeah, there it is.
Check out one of our other videos to see the shots that went right. Also, if you like this video, hit the like button or leave a comment.